Honestly, I don't really have much to say today. I feel extremely peaceful after today's workout, and in many ways found myself validated and confirmed how I thought and felt yesterday with regards to my newfound love for the way that I'm training. Today's session was quick. It was about an hour and 9 minutes, an hour and 10 minutes. And I smashed it out efficiently, performed well. I was happy with the way in which I performed and my output, considering what in hindsight was probably stupidness I did yesterday with taking my max bench for a single just because I had nothing else to do and I felt like doing it. Today happened to be an upper body day as well today, and I'd say it took me like 3 to 4 sets to like feel warm and in the groove and get rid of the hangover from yesterday's CNS tax. But once I got into it, I felt all right. It did kind of carry over, that tax kind of carried over into the back work that I did. But I kept the rep ranges low today, and I just kept the loading heavy relative to the last time I did these exercises, which felt good. Yeah, man, I don't really have anything to say, but it was nice to be back. It was a really fun workout. I really loved I think my coach calls them the depth drop plyo push-ups. There's something about them that I really love. I'm going to actually ask him why we do them and what they do, because they are probably the most what I find them the most difficult form of plyo push-up that he gets me to do. And because of that, they feel amazing. Like, they feel so hard, yet they are very rewarding when you do them well. And what do I mean by when I do them well? You may notice that there are some reps in some sets where I don't quite clear the boxes in order for me to get my hands on the box in a fairly straightened out position. And whilst I don't believe that is required per se, whenever I complete a rep like that, I feel like I've completed the rep and I'm proud of that rep. So when I'm done, I feel the opposite. To the point where I believe today there was one set where I actually did 4 reps because of that. I didn't like my last rep, it was messy, so I smashed out one more. But yeah, man, I really love them. I don't know why. I don't even know what they do yet. That is one thing I need to do. I do need to start asking my coach more questions about why he gets me to do this, that, and the third, because I've always been a big believer in something that I actually heard Edu Portal once say, and it was very simple. You find yourself a good teacher and you let them teach you. And frustratingly, I kind of have taken that to an extreme, especially with my coach. And I trusted him. I basically binge read everything he had to offer on the internet for months and then just jumped into him coaching me. I already knew that I had found myself a good teacher, and partly due to life being in a way and just not really being in a place where I wanted to learn or want to learn about the intricacies of training right now, I just trusted him and just do whatever he tells me to do, knowing that he knows where I want to go, and trust him to get me there. However, after today, I'm beginning to have my curiosity piqued, partly because somebody actually asked me why I was doing something today, and I have to be honest, I couldn't really answer, not as intricately or as concisely as I would like to. So yeah, it was nice to be back. I really, really, really enjoyed it. And on that note, I shall see you tomorrow.
lower back